We are from Kashmir and we have built a product that's called SENSE. SENSE stands for Saffron Environmental and Navigational Support Engine. It's a rover which is going to go over the saffron farm and going to give on insights about what the soil conditions are.
इस साइड से soil moisture sensor है जो कि ऊपर नीचे जाता है.
The SENSE app, it's got all the monitoring, it's got the rover control, the camera module controller, as well as a sense optimizing app on which the algorithm basically tells you, according to the ideal conditions of the saffron, how much more requires or how much less it requires, like about the temperature, the humidity or the moisture. I would like to call this journey a journey of growth. We had so many times where we had to rethink, we had to sharpen our minds, like problem solving and all of that. I have had arguments in the team. These arguments made us to lead to conclusions that today made us to lead to the finals of eYantra. I explored so many new domains that I was not yet familiar with. I am utterly grateful to all of my teammates because they've been pushing me hard to do much better than I did.
To be honest, we were quite naive. We didn't know what a problem statement is. We explored some problems and thought this was the approach. The ideation program helped us refine our thinking and get to know what an actual problem statement is and how to find them.
The amount of experience and the confidence you would gain by just attending one workshop, it's definitely worth it.
We motivated each other, we persisted, we did trial and error. We just tried as many possible ways as there are.
We got so overjoyed of it doing left and right. It was just the camera module. It's like a simple code. The failures we faced were overpowered by the joy we got every single time of a simple this left and right. It has been built with the farmers and by the farmers and for the farmers, because this entire journey, it was not only an idea, it was shaped by the conversations we had with the farmers, and whatever is in it, it's because of what a farmer needs.
With the help of eYantra, I'll say that the learning system has changed. It's a project-based learning system. The students are learning through projects nowadays. They take now the social problems as a challenge for themselves. The self-belief or confidence in the students has increased. Now they believe that we can solve this problem. Now they think that there's a problem, we require a guy from different department who can help us. Even they do not know each other, but they create a team to solve a problem. That environment has begun in IUST with the help of eYantra.
I think students should participate, but not because they want to win.
Definitely.
They should participate because they want to learn something. If they even fail, at least they'll learn something.
Opportunity was not external, it was primarily internal. There's this internal confidence that I have now, like I can make it work. I would say just go for it. It's definitely worth it. I believe this entire journey is completely a learning process. It's a pathway, taking you through steps and the idea of having sprints after each month, making us be accountable to something. It's like you're building something, but you're building yourself as well.